loud and clear. Are you ready? Blue Alliance, are you ready? Countdown, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, as we kick things off, looks like all the robots are racing towards that hub. We're going to get 2 preloads by Red on the correct level. AlphaGo trying to get freight into that high level of the line-specific shipping hub. They're taking a very efficient path over the barrier. Only problem is they're having some trouble taking multiple freight out every time. That's going to be some penalties. Let's see if Lightsabers was able to get that duck. Looks like they did get it off and into their bucket. Oh, and they just didn't deposit this time. Hopefully that's not an issue with their robot and just something unfortunate that happened this round. As we end the atomic period, it is 80 points for the Blue Alliance, just 7 points for the Red Alliance. Let's see how this goes into our teleop period. Both Swift and Lightsaders racing for that shared shipping hub. Swift, we know, has been an absolute powerhouse on that shared shipping hub, doing cycle after cycle. Lightsaders, they were the second pick of the finalist alliance at the Houston World Championship, so they are definitely experienced in scoring a lot on any hub, shared or alliance specific. Okay, we see some interesting similar strategies between both Swift and Lightsabers going over the barrier. That means the gap is completely free for teams to run through. Oh, very interestingly enough, there's a ball underneath that shared shipping hub, making it really difficult for the Red Alliance to have the shared shipping hub tipped towards them. But this is not stopping AlphaGo or Roboctopi, as they're doing cycle after cycle on that alliance-specific hub. Roboctopi already placing their 11th now, and AlphaGo placing their 10th over on that alliance-specific shipping hub. With 70 seconds left in this match, it's 194 to 152. It's always nice to see matches where both teams are scoring a ton of points, as we know that'll positively impact all of their rankings. Lightsabers looks like they may be stuck on that barrier, but a team this good, there's no way they can't get unstuck themselves. Maybe AlphaGo will push them or something like that. We'll have to see what these teams decide to do. Meanwhile, Swift looks like they're pretty much playing Jenga over there on that shared shipping hub, stacking block after block. With 45 seconds left in the match, it's 222 to 176. Yes, and Lightsabers gets unstuck with AlphaGo pushing them. What a play by the Red Alliance. Lightsaders going back. They're not going to get stuck again. They figured everything out. 33 seconds left in this match. It's 242 to 188. Let's see what endgame strategies we see from these teams. Over on the Blue Alliance, you see Roboctopi reaching out their tape measure mechanism, trying to grab their team shipping element. Same as Lightsaders. AlphaGo just sitting there waiting for Lightsaders to first place theirs, and then they'll go in place. AlphaGo, though, they don't want to waste time. They're intaking freight so they can have it and score it. With 10 seconds left in the match, it's 270 to 224. This is going to be a very high scoring match for both alliances and super close. Swift Robotics, so they are the clear winner of that shared shipping hub, and Lightsaders gets that part.
Scores are up for match number